We bring in the energy. Lucozade energy. Closing things off with a little energetic cocktail, because Tyrone Benjamin is here. And Lucozade cocktails, I never thought of it until we started saying, hey, Caribbean Fusion. There's a new apple on the market as well.
Apple, yes.
There's a new apple flavored Lucozade. Yes. So all these wonderful flavors that Lucozade are now bringing, you can actually use it in cocktails.
It's not a bad idea at all.
And you guys, I know you always come with all sorts of crazy concoctions.
Yes.
So that's what you're going to do today.
Joe, when you gave me this call for this Lucozade Caribbean Fusion, I was like, I tried it,
Right.
And it does have a Caribbean Fusion.
Yeah.
Because, again, the best of mango, which is iconic for Caribbean flavor.
Yeah.
Is exotic. You have passion fruit and you have pineapple.
Pineapple as well.
That's a fantastic combination there. Right?
Can't get more Caribbean fruits than...
And then you have a little coconut as well in
there as well.
Right?
It tastes like a fruit punch. It tastes like a nice fizzy fruit punch. That's what kind of...
I think if I'm in Europe, Asia, and I need a Caribbean flavor, these are the flavors. So I don't think they could do better than putting these flavors together.
And you're going to add...
And then, right, I'm going to add some blueberries, some guava, and some lime to that mix.
So you're adding more fruits there?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's jump in, right,
Let's
Joe?
go.
So to the bottom, I'm going to be adding some blueberries I have here, some fresh blueberries.
You know, I'm a blueberry man more than a strawberry man.
Yeah.
I prefer blueberries than I do strawberries.
I like the flavor.
Yeah.
And it's healthy as well, very healthy. I mean, you could be generous with the blueberries or you could be a little, scarce with it, but it's really up to you. I just like to put how much flavor that you would get, right? So, on top of that, I'm going to put in the rum.
So that's rum?
Yes. Nice Caribbean rum to go with the Caribbean Fusion. And then we're making this a strong drink, right?
Come on, man. We drinking.
We ain't playing.
I work hard in the kitchen today, you know.
Yeah.
It's surf and turf I do in the kitchen today, you know.
Bro, that going nice with this. Trust me. So I'm gonna pull out my muddler.
Right. I had a feeling that's where you were going.
Yeah, man. And Joe, I know you're not no stranger to what we're doing here. But for the folks, what we're doing here is modeling. And we're modeling out the blueberry flavor into the rum. What we're getting here is a nice kind of flash infusion.
Flash infusion, right? Infusing the blueberry into the Caribbean.
We're getting real fusions.
We in fusion mode. Ty is in fusion mode today.
And right after, Joe, I have some nice fresh mint here.
Ooh.
And I'm gonna be going behind with about 6 leaves of mint for the both cocktails. And why I didn't put it in the beginning, because I don't want to over model the mint. I just want to bruise it. So I model the blueberry first, and then I'm modeling the mint leaves. All right.
So he doesn't want to. You want to just bruise.
Bruise
the leaves.
Yes. So we get all those essential oils. If you model it a little too much, it's gonna get a little bitter.
Yeah.
And we don't want a little bitterness. All right. That mix is beautiful so far. Right? So we have our rum, our blueberries, and our mint. I'm gonna put this one side here. And a nice shaker here. I'm gonna put some guava. Fresh guava. Guava in season, so I didn't actually have to rub the neighbor this time. I have some guava. Have a guava trim. Yeah. So I say guava could work. Alright, 2 medium size for our next one. Alright. Put that guava there. Now have some lime. We have some fresh lime going straight into this.
Right, you gotta get me one of those lime strainer things.
Yes.
Yeah.
Actually, this is not specifically a lime strainer, Joe.
What is it?
This is a julep strainer. We use this in the mixology world.
Right.
Right, but it's convenient for me.
It could work with a lime strainer.
Yeah,
I feel like I can use it as a lime strainer in the kitchen.
A lime
strainer.
I'm using it live.
We do.
Using it live. So we have our guava and our lime here. And what I'm going to do is add some sugar to this. All right. And we would say about 2 to 3 bar spoons of sugar. And the sugar would now balance back the lime that we just put. So we have a bit of acidity and then we have some sweetness. Yeah. And again, I'm going to model this. So again, that guava, strong aroma coming out. And then the lime is perfect because the lime now adding that fresh feel. You know, when you nose a cocktail, you must get some kind of citrus. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Lovely. And the rum ain't done yet. We're going with 1 ounce of rum inside this mix here.
Layers of rum.
Layers of rum from the Caribbean. Can't get enough. What I'm gonna do here, top up with some ice in my shaking glass. And the glasses as well. Nice. How we coming along there?
You looking good?
Beautiful. So we have our both glasses chilled.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna shake this mix here.
So that's the guava mix.
Guava, the sugar, and the lime. And shake this for a little longer.
Right.
Because of the fresh sugar. Right? And now the pulp of the guava, they kind of well beat up to get that juice out. Yeah? So here, Joe, just get a little quick taste test. Perfect.
Ty is satisfied. Yes, Ty
Everything is diluted.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna go here now. This strainer comes back in handy. Where I'm gonna do a strain here. See how thick that coming out.
So blueberry at the base.
Blueberry at the base.
Guava coming down in the middle there.
Guava with the lime. Don't forget the lime.
The lime
has a
important.
nice, yeah, it's very prominent. And it helps give that acidity and that citrus note that we know from the Caribbean.
Mm-hmm. Guava almost syrup. Almost
It's
syrup
almost a
like.
syrup,
Yeah, it's
yeah.
almost a syrup.
Joe, and that's the best part. We're gonna top this now with our Lucozade Caribbean Fusion.
Lucozade layer now.
Lucozade layer.
The colors already look wow. Oh wow.
Going right up. Simple garnish. Nice slice of lime. This lime juicy way. You can see the juice.
You know, you could cut a lime straight, you know. Oh no, I jog up that lime, you know. You could cut a lime straight in a way.
I just try.
You just try?
I'm doing it long enough.
You're doing plenty lime cutting these days.
Right? We have the blueberries. So we got a little 2 blueberry here. And why not a nice slice of guava as well. But with cocktails, Joe, I would say try to use the flavors that you have in the cocktail already, right? Because it also enhances the aroma when you come to the nose.
Right.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We also have mint.
Adds to the experience.
Yes. We also have mint. Add a nice little sprig of mint. Just to add a little greenery. And there we go. We have our nice Caribbean fusion.
Lucozade Caribbean Fusion. According to my good buddy Just Chase, can't get better than that.
Can't get better than that, baby.
Woo! So while I saw you putting the flavors together, I was thinking rum punch because
Of course.
all the fruity flavors, and then as I said, the Lucozade Caribbean Fusion has so much fruitiness happening in it.
It is.
With a little
Perfect name
fizz.
for a perfect
Yeah,
drink,
it's almost like a nice fizzy fruit punch with a lot of rum in it.
Yeah, we can't forget it wrong.
Can't forget it wrong.
Yeah.
Can't forget it wrong. Lucozade cocktails is a thing. I want to thank Tyrone Benjamin for dropping by and sharing this one. You'll get the recipe on Cup of Joe Caribbean
sure.
if you want to try it. Thanks to Lucozade. Thanks to all the brands that passed through today. And we're going to see you back here next week when we will whip up some more recipes showcasing some more wonderful products. We'll see you here next week. Thank you very much, Ty.
Cheers.